Today, the weather is fine, and we're just dealing with some sunshine and some really warm temperatures. 85 degrees, dew point in the 50s. That's dry air across the area. We're already up to 91 in Jasper, 88 Tuscaloosa, 85 Asheville, Anston area back to Talladega. So nice and warm out there. We'll get to about 89 in Birmingham. Some of you may hit that 90-degree mark, and then temperatures slowly fall to the 70s. Pretty pleasant weather out there for this evening. If you happen to be going out in town, things are looking pretty good. So about 89 Birmingham, Alabaster, 91 Tuscaloosa, Moundsville about 90 up there in Gadsden, back to Alex City. So on average, we should be 88. So we're going to be just near where we need to be. But basking in the sunshine and a few clouds out there with high pressure over the Ohio Valley, the northeasterly wind remains over top of us, keeping us less humid in the muggy weather down to our south for now. We stay dry through Friday, but there is that chance rain really starting to increase as we get to the weekend. Courtesy of our system we're watching in the Gulf. Currently, Invest 92 as it's named. Will be moving north toward Texas, Louisiana area there. Heavy rain starting Saturday, and maybe can't rule out a tornado or two with this. It's going to be a very messy situation here. So looking at the latest satellite, you see a spin in the middle of your screen. That's an upper level low. You need a surface low for this to develop into something, and that's down here. So what looks like it's going to happen, this is visible satellite. There's a little trough stretching from the upper level low back down to the surface low, and I think what eventually we'll see is that surface low kind of reforming underneath that upper level low where all those thunderstorms are, and that's going to allow us to get that low to jump to the north. Lots of wind shear. You can see southerly winds here pumping up that Gulf moisture, Caribbean moisture, but then it's crossing some wind shear here. So this is going to be a sloppy system moving forward. Regardless, we still have a high chance for development of this, maybe a subtropical or tropical depression as it moves its way northward here toward Texas and Louisiana, but notice it does curve its way toward Birmingham. And that deep tropical moisture will continue to stream up both at the Caribbean and southern part of the Gulf right over the area. Even once the system is gone, that still remains in place till a front moves through on Tuesday night into Wednesday, and then finally we may see some better weather. But here's how it plays out. There's a center of circulation moving over Louisiana, not too far away from Meridian. This is Saturday, 2 o'clock. That's when some heavy rain will start moving in, continuing here through about Sunday morning into the Sunday afternoon. Now, the system itself is back into South Carolina. We'll have a little break, but then that deep moisture remains. So Monday into Tuesday, we're still going to be dealing with some heavy rain with the system, even though it is no longer in the area. So heavy rain, 3 to 5 inches, flooding streams, creeks, and yes, those local rivers may quickly come up again, so we need to watch out for that. Can't rule out a few tornadoes. Wind's not an issue, 10, maybe 20 miles per hour. This is not going to be a wind event. It's going to be a rain event. 6 to 8 inches there, maybe 3 to 5 again across the Birmingham area, and that's where we have excessive rainfall potential down along the coastline. So enjoy the nice weather today. Tomorrow, hot, more humid, 92. But here comes the rain for Father's Day weekend. Father's Day itself, maybe just the morning, the worst of it. But nonetheless, though, get ready for the wet weather to continue into early part of next week. And keep it tuned to Channel 42 with updates throughout the next couple days.
All right.